Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at the Hyperjuice Airpods wireless charging case. Now, this isn't actually a case like this one for your AirPods. This is a case that slips over this one and plugs into the lightning port and allows it to charge with any Q-compatible charger or Qi-compatible charger, however you want to pronounce it. And it is a 5-watt charger, Qi-compatible, and it takes about 1.5 hours to a full charge, which is not bad at all. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and see exactly what it looks like and take a look at it. Like I said, this is from Hyperjuice. I got this on sale. I want to say it was about $14.99 on sale. I will provide a link in the description to where you can pick one up. This is not at all sponsored. I saw this video on, I think it was 9 to 5 Mac, and they tried it out, and I was like, oh, that's actually pretty cool. So I bought one from the link they had in the description. If we can get it out of the box, we will take a look at it. There we go. So, wow. It's actually almost like a giant version of the Apple case. It looks exactly the same. It's made out of hard plastic as well, which is pretty cool. You have your pair button on the back, which just goes through to push the one on the case. You have your lightning connector in there. So as you can see here, just slip it in. That snaps over the top of the case. It is exposed a little bit back here. You have a rubber kind of hinge. You flip it open and there's your AirPods. Mine are kind of dirty because they are original. I pre-ordered these when they came out. So this case is actually, like I said, hard plastic. It feels like the actual Apple case. So really it's almost like having a actual Apple case. It's not that flimsy rubber or anything like that. Let me get my charger real quick and we will put it on there and test it out and see how it works. Alright, so here is the wireless charger I bought from banggood.com. Check that out in yesterday's video. Here is the AirPods case. It doesn't charge this way. It actually flips over and charges on the face. You can't see it. This green light right here is on the charger, but there is also a green light on the bottom of the case to tell you that it is charging and receiving power. I don't know if that goes out when the case is fully charged or not, but it is on showing you that it is charging. So at least if your wireless charger doesn't have a light on it, you can tell that your case is receiving power. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about the LED light. It only says that it comes on when the case is charging. But that is that. That is the Hyperjuice AirPods wireless charging case from Hyperjuice. I will leave a link to this down in the description below. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.